Howdy folks, I pulled up my Gladiolus bulbs. I had them down in the ground all winter long last winter, and they came up perfect, but I don't think I had them planted deep enough, and they were starting to push out of the ground, so I decided to go ahead and pull these up, store them for winter, through winter, and then plant them next spring. They say you could still plant these, but it'll take a couple of years before they do anything. They're called grandbabies, corms. Anyway, that's what I'm doing here. Tearing all the little pieces off here. And look like this one actually grew from this one here. I might save that one too. We're going to clean this off here as much as possible here. Just wrap them in newspaper, put them in a box, cardboard box, and that way I won't have to buy them no more. I'm gonna see if it works. I bought these a couple years ago. I think I bought some last year too. And so what are we doing here? Tearing all this stuff off here. Clean them up a little bit, just a little bit. Now hold on. This one here looks like a pumpkin. These are all different kind of flowers. I mean, all different color flowers. They say that you can cut them in half or even in quarters and have even more flowers. So stay tuned next spring. We'll see what happens with these. This is my first time doing this. So we'll see what happens. But you got to wrap them in newspaper in like in a box, cardboard box, and don't let them touch each other. Yeah. I pulled these out earlier this year. You're supposed to let them dry out. You're supposed to let them dry out until these start turning brown. You can see the root system on it. And I'm going to see if they'll grow next spring, this coming spring. I'm even going to maybe cut them in half and have more. I have a lot as it is. Do this over the grass. And I hope it works out, save me some money. They didn't cost too much. I buy them myself. I think 50 cents or 15 cents a bulb. But it adds up. You can buy a lot of them. And if you can get them free, like this, it's even better. And we will see how it goes. If I could bring my little tool, pry these off. It's not usually that hard. There you go. That doesn't have none on it. And it's got a lot on it. That's a bigger chow there. I might save that one there too. See if we can plant that one. These are, this one girl call it grandbabies of the corms. Takes them a couple years. Yeah, I'm gonna save that one too. That one looks like it'll grow. Some of these actually, came from this one. Oh, not the exact one here, but you know they grow because I leave them in there, you know, the year before, and then that one started growing. So, we'll see. This one doesn't look too healthy though, you know. That looks about rotted. Okay. We're going to carry this here on the patio. I got a mess on the patio too. That's where we pull them to dry them out. So, I'll knock all this stuff down here. Oh, where'd that one go? So, what we have to do here, take the newspaper, didn't know how many newspaper I needed, but don't need a lot. And you just roll it up in it. So, pack it down in the box like that. Okay, pull the paper apart. Same with these here. Because I never knew that you could do that to these, and I'm going to see if they pop up next spring. Keeping it cool, dry place. About like 65 degrees, 40 degrees, not freezing. Okay. And I'm going to keep it in the garage. The garage is kept between 50 and 60 degrees. keep it in a cool place, dry place. I'm gonna have to mark the box so Shelly don't open it up. And that's how we're gonna do that. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back, especially this spring, to see what happens as they grow, if they grow. So, later.